Hey guys, I'm Adam Conway, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Honor 20 Pro. This is the newest flagship from Honor, featuring a 6.39-inch IPS display, a Kirin 980 chipset, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. I have the purple model here. I received this last week for XDA developers for review. I have a battery review already in the description if you want to check that out. And I'm just going to be showing you what's in the box. As you can see, it's already been opened, so yeah. First off as well, I have already used the Fortnite code, so please don't ask me for it. I got a lot of messages on my Twitter. You can check that out in the description as well. I put a screenshot of all of the messages I received, and yeah, it's not good. Right, okay, so anyway, let's get into this. As I said already, it's open, so you can see the seals are broken. But yeah, it's simply slides out like that. Now I also stuck back on the stickers here, so just so you can get an idea of what it's like when you open it. So it's all bubbly and stuff, but you slide that and slide that. Now, as you can see, as I said already, I have the purple one. I think they call it Phantom Black, but it's purple, so yeah. And you can see there's the AI quad camera details here. There's a 48 megapixel primary sensor, an ultra wide, and a telephoto. There's also a macro lens which you can use for like shooting photos of things up to 4 centimeters in distance. It's really weird, it's not too useful. But yeah, so put that to the side for now. You get your like phone holder. You get, so this thing in retail models will have I believe a gel silicone case and like regulatory information. Mine doesn't have that, so yeah, it's going without a case. I haven't broken it yet, so that's something. I got an EU charger in the box. In Ireland we use UK plugs, so I've been using an adapter with it because it's the only way to fast charge the Honor 20 Pro. And then we get a micro USB cable. Like I said, I just tried to like repackage everything up. We get a USB-C cable. It's a bit over 1 meter in length, and you can see it's actually purple on the connectors, so that's pretty cool. It helps differentiate between, like, because I have several white USB-C cables, so it helps differentiate between them. And then you get now I haven't actually opened this because I have loads of these and I actually use the OnePlus Bullets wireless now, but you actually get a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter in the box because this phone doesn't have a headphone jack. See? So that's annoying. But it's, you know, it's decent. As I said, I actually haven't tested it, but I imagine it's similar quality to what you'd get because it's just converting a digital signal to analog. So yeah. So I've also set it up. You could see this is one of the default wallpapers that comes with it. It's got the eye of the parrot where the camera is, because as you can see it's actually a cutout camera. So yeah, I set that up and it's pretty good. There's obviously it's EMUI, so you know, mightn't be to your taste, but it's good. I've been using it for a while. As I said, there's battery review in the description that I did for XDA developers. So yeah, that's basically the unboxing of the Honor 20 Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, just let me know in the comments. Be sure to give a like as well and subscribe to the channel. Cheers!